Hello, I'm Nick. In this video I will show you how to document your Figma design system using Claude Code. I will use the open source simple design system as an example. Let's choose a particular component from this system. I will choose button. Right mouse click on a button component, select copy paste as, and choose copy link to selection. Now let's jump to Claude Code. This is a terminal window on my Mac with Claude Code running in it. What I will do next is ask Claude to reach out to the Figma file where I store my button component and document it. Claude Code will use the MCP connection to Figma to do the task, so you need to ensure that Figma MCP connection is added to your Claude settings. If you don't know how to set up Figma MCP, I have a dedicated tutorial for that, and I will leave a link to this tutorial in the description. Now let's type a prompt. Document this component and paste a link to selection that I previously copied. Hit enter. You will see that Get Design Context plugin is used by Claude to get the design from Figma. And now Claude is analyzing the design and creating documentation for me. The process takes a couple of minutes, and at the end you will get the documentation with the following structure. By the way, if you need a particular structure for your documentation, you can provide this structure along with a Figma link in initial prompt to Claude. And the output that Claude generated for me is in Markdown format. It looks like this. Markdown is a great format because it has a structure, but it's not very readable on its own. But we have a nice workaround. We can jump to the service like Markdown Live Preview, copy the content of our Markdown file to it, and see a nice preview of this content. And what we have in this file that Claude generated for us is very close to the original design of the button in Figma that we provided to Claude previously. You can see that all properties and states are present here. But even this nicer preview might not be enough for us because most of the time we want to have an HTML preview. And we can easily get the HTML page for our documentation. Simply ask Claude to generate it for you. All you need to do is to provide a follow-up prompt in the same chat. Publish it as a web page. And after a short wait time, we will get this page with our button documentation. The nice thing is that we have a nice layout with real component previews and dedicated content containers for styles and code samples. And that's all. Let me know what you think about documenting Figma design system using Claude Code. Thank you.